Welcome everyone to the channel and to another video. We're looking at the Hyundai Tucson today. We will be installing a compressor on it. This vehicle has or uses the solenoid and clutch compressor, or a compressor that uses both solenoid and clutch. And so we will be replacing it with a straight clutch compressor. Now, having removed the compressor already, we are now removing the condenser. This is a condenser, and those who have been watching the videos would have heard me stress the importance of changing the dryer, whether bag or can, the receiver dryer, when the compressor is damaged and you are replacing the compressor, right? So basically the dryer, and this is the dryer, as you can see it is dirty. So the dryer basically catches any unwanted moisture in the system, any breakdown from the damaged compressor, and so on. So we have removed it and we're going to replace it with a new dryer, and this is the new one, right? So we're just going to insert it, seal the cap, put on back the cap, and just put back the condenser in the vehicle, and then that would have taken care of that aspect of the job, right? So basically we're going, as I said, we're going to put on a different compressor because the first compressor got damaged. And also one of the very important things to look at when changing the compressor also is to just ensure that the system, the AC system, is clean, right? And there is no what I would say, no, like black oil or any contaminants in the system, right? So we would check the pipes as we're doing here now. Just check to see if inside is clean. If it is not, then you definitely would have to flush out the system, right? So this system is really, it is pretty much clean, right? So no flushing has to take place right here. So basically all we need to do is just to change the dryer and install the compressor and take it from there. So this is the area where the compressor will be placed. So the first one, or the damaged one, was removed, and in short order you will see us fitting the replacement compressor on it. So basically it's a very short video. This is the compressor. This is the one that was taken off, right? It uses both a solenoid and a clutch, right? The solenoid valve goes right in there. All right, so in previous videos also you would have heard me mention the pros and cons of the solenoid and the clutch compressors, and which is better or more durable. So as I said, this one uses both solenoid and clutch, and we're replacing it with this compressor that you're seeing right here, a straight clutch compressor. So just enjoy viewing the rest of the video. We're just going to install, check for leaks, vacuum system, regas, and get it up and running. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video, and look out for another video that I will be posting, and that one I will show you exactly what a dirty or a contaminated system looks like, right? Because I know some of you might be wondering what I'm talking about. So I'm going to show you what a contaminated system looks like, so you can have a better understanding of what really needs to be done when the AC technician is installing a compressor on your vehicle, right? They need to do their due diligence so that you can have your system working effectively and efficiently. Okay, so thanks again for listening. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for viewing and sharing the information. See you in the next video.